Start. Hi, my name is Julia,
I'm Emma.
And I'm Kayla.
and our group decided to do collages to show the relationship between the abstract art and the architecture that got inspired from it. So the first one is Cubism, which is like one of the most famous abstract kind of movements, started by George Braque and Pablo Picasso. As you can see, some of his work is in there, including the guitar and the woman with the mandolin. And Cubism is kind of defined by objects being analyzed, broken up, and abstracted. And going from there, Cubism and architecture is mostly seen by geometric shapes. Kind of here, this shows two by Le Corbusier, the Le Corbusier Pavilion, and his assembly in India. And these kind of are contradiction to what architecture was supposed to be.
Okay, my was on Neoplasticism, which is identified through primary colors and geometric shapes with straight lines. And this is seen in the artist Piet Mondrian, who, yes, the arrow, Julia just pointed to it. And this takes shape within architecture in multi-dimensions. So as the paint and the painting is very flat, the architecture is very detailed and is kind of expanding on that. And the architect in the Shraden House used this neoplasticism within his design and kind of broke the whole modernist idea that everything had to have a purpose, and he worked off of a grid similarly to the painting.
So I worked with Constructivism, which was one of the most influential modern art movements of the 20th century for Russia. Most of its values were rooted in the suprematism movement, which we can extrapolate given the geometric forms and the focus on color. Artists tied their art with communist ideals, believing art should be closely connected with ordinary life and speak a language that everyone could understand. So they frequently worked with metal, glass, and wood and constructed sculptural forms resembling architectural forms or machine parts, connecting with the industrial age. So Vladimir Tatlin was one of the first constructivist and you can see some of his work presented in the collage here. A lot of these architects used scraps of metal to form spaces. And at the bottom of the collage, you will see the work of the Coop Himmel firm, which won an international competition to redesign the ice hockey arena in Russia. So while they were never built, they exhibited direct values of constructivism, being made of typical industrial materials such as iron, glass, and steel.
Thank you.
Thank you.